Hello everyone, welcome back to Rose Tarot and Astrology. I am your host Mel Rose, and this is your two-card reading for Tuesday, December 5, 2023. The Sun and Mars are in Sagittarius and the waning crescent moon is in Virgo. And today we have this really beautiful, harmonious vibe crop up between Venus, our planet for love, relationships, and having nice things, and Saturn, which is our planet, which is the planet that represents our sense of responsibility in the world. So it's love and contracts, friends, but it's a really nice blessing of a aspect that says, you know, it's easy to take the next steps in a commitment, whether that's to a relationship, a friendship, or a love relationship, or even to sort of maybe a major purchase. Maybe you're taking on a new house or a new car. If it's something that you can manage and it's a heck yeah for you, then go for it. It should be very simple at this time, very blessed, gracious, and easy. If you want to know more about the astrology, check out my channel. There's an Astrology Today video right next to this one. And you can get there by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and then clicking for notifications. Then you'll know every time I post up new daily astrology or tarot content. And as always, my friends, thank you so much for being here. What do we have here? We have the Eight of Wands. It's a great big go for it, which is what the sky is saying today. That Venus and Saturn vibe is definitely like, it's like you know where you're going. You've got an open road, a clear day, and a full tank of gas. So you might as well just make progress, right? That's the Eight of Wands. It accelerates things. It makes things go faster. It's just rolling forward. There's also an element of this that says there's information or inspiration coming in. You can make adjustments to your plan, to your trajectory as you are on the path to achieving it. You don't have to be in the information gathering phase anymore. We're just moving forward, okay? And then the Two of Swords says there's a decision to make, okay? It can be tough sometimes. We get a choice, and either we don't think that either choice is the one that we would like to make, or maybe they're two great choices, and it just feels sort of terrible to turn one down in favor of the other either way. You know, at this time, it's sort of a moment of we just have to choose. And the important thing here is to make sure that you are listening to your gut guidance and intuition. The moon is there, so it's not just about what you know. It's not just about what's going on in the intellect. It's about what's going on in your heart and in your gut that should inform your decision. And then the other part of this is make sure that you maintain a calm emotional state while you're in this while you're in this mode of decision making. Okay, so while you're making your progress, while you're going ahead with things, there are choices you're going to have to make. And you know, if you're moving ahead with a quickness, then those decisions are going to have to be made. Those choices are going to have to be made on the go, right? So you know, trust yourself at this time. If you're on the go and you know you get a choice to make and you're not sure which way to go, trust yourself at the pace you're moving to be able to choose something that's good for you, just from a calm emotional state. Just listening to your heart and your gut, you know, should be able to tell you what's logically right for you, and make it easy to keep moving down the path that you're on in an accelerated fashion. Sometimes it's nice to just enjoy that the speed we are afforded, the momentum we are afforded, and roll forward. And you know, okay, you have this choice or this choice. I'll take this one this time, and keep rolling forward. Oh, you have this choice and this choice, and you take this one this time, and you just keep rolling forward. Not all choices are so momentous, okay, that you have to sit and really think about them. You can just go with what your gut is telling you, especially, again, if you're feeling good about the progress you're making and you're in that calm emotional state. So that's all I have to say about it today, friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate your presence here, and I'll catch you all in the next video.